오늘 하루도 내 머릿속엔 오직 와요 you Can't get you out of my head 밤새 비워낸 병에 새긴 blue Yeah 넌 도대체 몇 번을 내 맘 가져다 버린 건지 몰라 생각에 기차는 쉬지 않고 달려가 밤새 못 자
Hi ate, ito ang napaka-pogi mong kapatid na si Charlie. Sana hindi na tayo mag-away at sana mabuhay tayong masigalig lang. Bini-wish ko na sana manatili kang malakas sa anumang circumstances na mangyayari sa ating buhay. I love you very much ate.
I'm ready for love Tell me when you're ready cause I'm already ready Tell me when you're ready cause I'm ready for love I'm ready for love I'm ready for love I'm ready for love Happy birthday Lady Chachay I'm running like a snail I never know if you wanted what if love wasn't what it was supposed to be What if there's no Romeo for me No hope no roses no more notes to read So I keep my eyes closed to see what I need is forever and forever baby not sometimes when you want it then you best come find me cause I'm ready
Hello, baby doll! Happy 18th birthday! Ngayong ganap ka ng dalaga, yung mga pangako mo sana wag mo kalimutan. Alam mo naman yan, anak. Pinanghahawakan talaga namin yan ng daddy mo. Tsaka, yun, kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang kami for you. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Hindi ka mag-iisa hanggat nandito kami. I love you so much. We love you so much. Pagbutihin mo lang pag-aaral.